I'm really excited for few players. I think I don't like naming players because I think we are at WPL, so let's stick to women's cricket.
माइंड में एक एक नाम था कि इस बार इसको देखना है, और जब भी जिस टीम ने भी उनको पिक करा है और सबकी अभी भी उनके ऊपर आईज है.
Developing the game in the WPL to reach new audiences, so we're excited about that.
We all know how crazy cricket is here in India.
चैलेंजेस लेना अच्छे लगते हैं.
You know, in cricket nothing is easy.
DSP साहिबा का आंसर बिल्कुल ऐसा सराखों पर. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the WPL Captain's Press Room. I've got former India cricketer Reema Malhotra with me, but let's also extend a warm welcome to the captains of the 5 franchisees. Of course, we've got 2 new captains who are sitting at the far end from me. We've got Ashley Gardner and we've got Deepti, along with the 2 champions. We've got Harmanpreet of the Mumbai Indians. We've got Shruti Mandana of the Royal Challengers Bengaluru, and 2-time finalists. We welcome the Delhi Capitals captain Meg Lanning. आप कितनी एक्साइटेड हैं, क्योंकि 2 सीजन हम देख चुके हैं रीमा, एंड 3rd सीजन उसके लिए सब बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल, मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि ये सीजन होने वाला है बेमिसाल. यहाँ पे आने वाले हैं बड़े बड़े छक्के, बड़े बड़े स्कोर्स और साथ में फुल ऑन एंटरटेनमेंट.
देखिए, बात बड़ी सिंपल है. That here we are at the press room. First up, I just want to extend another warm welcome to the members of the media. You can see them on the giant screen here. Questions coming in from their side. There's some really tough questions. कुछ आसान सवाल भी होंगे. जो नए कप्तान हैं उनके लिए भी सवाल होंगे. But before that, in one word, it's the 3rd season. What is the feeling like when you know that you are hours away from the season getting underway? Ashley, let's start with you.
One word would be excitement.
I'm guessing the girls are saying you took their word. Copy paste. Okay, let's try something different. Deepti, exciting तो है, लेकिन आप पहली बार कप्तानी करने वाली हैं एक टीम की. उसको लेके क्या वो जिम्मेदारी जो है उसको भी लेके एक्साइटेड है?
बिल्कुल, बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि जब पता चला तो एक अच्छा फील आ रहा था और एक पॉजिटिव वाली फीलिंग आ रही थी कि नहीं, चलो कुछ डिफरेंट होने वाला है इस बार.
रीमा जी, शो शुरू होने के पहले तो बहुत बातें चल रही थी हरमन से. अब कुछ पूछना चाहेंगी आप?
देखिए, वो ऑफ स्क्रीन काफी बातें चलती है, लेकिन मेरे सवाल तो बहुत कम है जो मैं इनसे यहाँ पे करूंगी, लेकिन बहुत सारे सवाल पीछे हमारे जो जर्नलिस्ट है वो इंतजार कर रहे हैं. और हरमन जिसने जीता है, शुरुआत उन्हीं से करना चाहते हैं. पीटीआई वाले आपसे इंतजार कर रहे हैं, कुछ सवाल उनके भी लीजिए.
Okay, so our friend from PTI, please go ahead and ask a question to Harmanpreet.
So my question is that WPL में we've seen a lot of youngsters perform very well and they have gone on to make their India debuts also. So as the new season's coming up, what are your expectations as India captain and how the WPL has helped Indian cricket? As a national captain, आपको क्या लगता है?
एज ए कैप्टन मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि इस सीज़न काफ़ी सारे अच्छा टैलेंट सारी टीम ने पिक करा है, और लास्ट सीज़न भी वी गॉट फ्यू प्लेयर्स जिन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छा कंट्री के लिए करा है. और आई थिंक दिस सीज़न विल बी मोर एक्साइटिंग क्योंकि काफ़ी सारी जो डोमेस्टिक लेवल पे जो क्रिकेटर थे उन्होंने अपने आप को इस टूर्नामेंट के लिए प्रिपेयर करा है. दैट वी हैव सीन इन आवर डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट. 300 रन ओडीआई इसमें बन रहे थे, चेज भी हो रहे थे. आई थिंक दैट शोज़ कि जो हमारे डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेटर्स आर दे आर रियली कीन टू प्ले WPL, एंड एज ए कैप्टन और एज ए नेशनल कैप्टन आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर दैट.
कभी होता है ऐसा जब आप मुंबई इंडियंस के लिए खेल रही हैं, ग्राउंड पे हैं और सामने की टीम में कोई बहुत अच्छी खिलाड़ी आपको दिख जाए, आप बोल रही हैं इंडियंस के लिए खेल सकती है बहुत
हम आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे, हम ऑप्शन से पहले ही स्मृति और हम सब यही डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि काफ़ी सारे डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेटर्स उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा करा है. सबके माइंड में एक एक नाम था कि इस बार इसको देखना है, और जब भी जिस टीम ने भी उनको पिक करा है और सबकी अभी भी उनके ऊपर आईज है, आई डोंट वांट टू टेक द नेम्स, देन दैट विल बी रियली हार्ड फॉर अस.
बात आउट हो जाएगी.
बट हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी उन चीज़ों के ऊपर डिस्कस करा है, एंड आई रियली होप दैट वो लोग अच्छा करें और हमारी टीम और स्ट्रॉन्ग से स्ट्रॉन्ग बनती रहे.
मजा आएगा, टीम तो स्ट्रांग होगी. लेकिन आप चलते हैं दीप्ति के पास. दीप्ति, अपनी बॉलिंग से तो आपने बैटर से बड़े सवाल पूछा, लेकिन ANI के पास आपके लिए है कुछ सवाल.
कैप्टन बनना किसी भी खिलाड़ी के करियर का बड़ा पल होता है, तो ये जिम्मेदारी लेकर आपको कैसा लग रहा है और आपके भविष्य में आपको क्या लग रहा है कि कितना अच्छा होने वाला है?
आई थिंक फर्स्टली काफ़ी एक्साइटमेंट है उस चीज़ के लिए, और जैसे मैंने अपने स्टेट के लिए भी कप्तानी करी है, तो उससे कहीं ना कहीं एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा और पहले ऑब्वियसली एज अ सीनियर प्लेयर खेलती थी, लेकिन ये डिफरेंट रोल मिला है और थोड़ा सा चैलेंजिंग होगा, लेकिन मेरे को चैलेंजेस लेना अच्छे लगते हैं, चाहे कोई से भी लेवल पे हो, तो उस चीज़ के लिए मुझे काफ़ी एक्साइटमेंट है यार।
Meg, here you are sitting alongside two captains who've gone on to win the title. But with the Delhi Capitals, it's always the story of so near yet so far. Two finals, Meg.
क्यों बोल रहे हो?
Is the third season going to be the charm for DC?
Yeah, thanks for reminding us. Hopefully, that's the plan. We've got to give ourselves the opportunity to get to the finals first. So it's obviously a new season, and I think every squad's improved, and obviously looking to do the same thing that we are, and that's win it. So we feel like we've got a good squad together. We've improved our squad with the players we've brought in, and we feel like we're in a good spot to be able to challenge again. So firstly, we just got to give ourselves the opportunity to get to that point, and then hopefully one better this year.
Well, Ashley is looking at you, and just listening to your answers, you take over the reins of the Gujarat Giants. Unfortunately, the last 2 seasons haven't been great for the Gujarat Giants. Is that the first challenge, to make sure that the performance is more consistent, Ashley?
Yeah, definitely. I think what's happened in the last 2 seasons is in the past now, so we can't change that. The only thing for us to do is to look forward and to be really positive in the way that we approach our cricket. That's certainly implemented from our coaches, is to be really fearless, and I think the squad that we have this year is even better than last year, and there's some young players coming through. We've added some international depth as well, so I think we're in a really good spot this year, but like Meg said, we obviously have to play really good cricket in the lead up to even considering finals, but we certainly want to go one better than what we have in the last 2 years.
मेरे होस्ट और मेरे दोस्त शायद भूल गए कि जर्नलिस्ट इंतजार कर रहे हैं क्वेश्चन का। एनडीटीवी स्पोर्ट्स पूछना चाहते हैं एशले गार्डनर से क्वेश्चन। गार्डनर, वी हैव अ क्वेश्चन फॉर यू।
How do you plan to change Gujarat Giants' fortunes around this year after finishing at the bottom of the table for the last 2 seasons?
I think forgetting what's happened in the last 2 years is probably a good start. Like I said before, we obviously can't change what the last 2 years has been, but I think with the squad that we've put together for this season, we've got a lot of experience, but we've also got some fantastic young players coming through. And I think that just shows through players like Priya Mishra, who got to play her first games for India this year, and to see her progression over what's such a short amount of time, to see her performing on an international stage. She's just one example of, I guess, the changes that we've seen over the last 12 months, but it's exciting. We've got some really great players, we've got great staff, so yeah, fingers crossed we can get off to the start that we would like.
हरमन, आपके लिए क्वेश्चन है, निहारिका वेट कर रही है, बताएं आपका क्वेश्चन।
मेरा क्वेश्चन आपके लिए ये है कि डोमेस्टिक प्लेयर्स जो आए हैं WPL में, उनकी ग्रोथ, उनका माइंडसेट और उनकी स्किल्स के चेंजेस आपने क्या क्या देखे हैं जब से WPL शुरू हुआ है? क्योंकि एक बात बहुत क्लियर हुई है कि फ्रेंचाइजीज ऑफ सीजन में प्लेयर्स की न्यूट्रिशन, स्किल्स और फिटनेस पे बहुत इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं, तो आपने डोमेस्टिक प्लेयर्स के WPL में आने से क्या बदलाव देखा है?
देखिए, वन थिंग तो बहुत क्लियर थी, इस सीज़न अगर हम अपने डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट की बात करें तो स्ट्राइक रेट सारे बैटर्स का बहुत बेटर था। दैट वाज द ओनली रीज़न कि डोमेस्टिक में 300 रन्स प्लस हो रहे थे, और काफ़ी अच्छा अप्रोच के साथ सब बैटिंग कर रहे थे। तो आई थिंक डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेटर्स ने एक चीज़ तो देखी WPL से कि इफ़ दे वांट टू पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस कॉम्पिटिशन, दे रियली नीड टू वर्क हार्ड ऑन देयर स्ट्राइक रेट एंड पावर हिटिंग एबिलिटी। आई थिंक दैट वी हैव सीन इन आवर डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स द बिगेस्ट पॉजिटिव जो हमने अभी तक WPL से लिया है, और हमारे क्रिकेटर्स उसके ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं। और पावर हिटिंग एबिलिटी, फील्डिंग, आई थिंक काफ़ी सारे एरियाज दे आर ट्राइंग टू इम्प्रूव एवरी सीज़न, तो वो एक बहुत अच्छी बात है।
लेकिन ये भी हम उनसे बात करते हैं जिन्होंने पहली ट्रॉफी जीती थी इस सीज़न की, लेकिन डिफेंडिंग चैंपियंस के पास जाना तो बनता है ना। टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया इंतजार कर रहा है आपके सवाल का, आपके जवाब का। सवाल आप पूछिए।
Smriti, first of all, what are RCB's chances of defending the title, and can you name any 2 players who can turn the game on its head this season, and also sharing the same jersey number 18 with Virat Kohli?
Yeah, I think we have had a good auction. I think as I think Harman said, that the domestic season this year has been amazing in terms of the way, the quality they have shown overall. So I'm really excited for few players, and 2 players I think I don't like naming players, but just because he's asking, I think Prema is a really amazing talent, and I'm sure that she'll be coming good. Then we have Raghavi and Kanika is making a comeback after injury, so really looking forward to these 3 players in the WPL. And I think because I think we are at WPL, so let's stick to women's cricket.
Okay.
लवली, लेकिन टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया का क्वेश्चन आ गया, हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स में आप ही का इंतजार कर रहे हैं, आप अपना क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं.
I just wanted to ask you how big of a miss will be Sophie Devine this season, because she played a key part in the first 2 seasons, and secondly, RCB enjoys a massive fan base. So does that add more pressure, or does it give you more incentive to go out on the field and express yourself?
Yeah, I think we had a few injuries post the auction. Most of our players who were playing in the 11 are, I think, not available this year because of injuries. Sophie Devine for sure is one of the best players, one of the best all-rounders in the world, and she's done that for the last 10 years. So definitely we'll miss her, but I think mental well-being is a lot more important than anything. So we respect that, and even other injuries, I think we had a discussion around it that it is tough, but yeah, I think also playing for them is also a thing which will keep the team going forward. And second question क्या था?
About the feeling of playing at the Chinnaswamy. And incentive and साथ में pressure, क्योंकि आप ट्रॉफी जीत चुकी हैं RCB के लिए.
I think for us, we don't really think a lot about what's happening around. I think it's really important that we really focus on playing good cricket as a team, and that's a culture we're trying to set. That because the fan base of RCB is such that the appreciation and the criticism is always going to be a little more than other teams have. They get it. So I think for us it's really important how as a group we stick together in the wins and the failures. So I think that's going to be really important, and I think who would not want people chanting RCB everywhere you travel, right? I think it's only positives for us.
मैं शो करती, मुझे लगा कि मैं भी RCB करना शुरू ना कर दूं, क्योंकि कोई साफ तरफ से
The next question is directed at you, Meg, and it's coming from a friend at ETV. Please go ahead and ask the question.
Yeah, hi Meg, this is Nikhil from ETV. Considering that this edition of the WPL will be played across 4 different venues, how do you think it will be difficult for the players to adapt to the conditions in such a short time?
Yeah, I think firstly it's exciting that we're heading to some new venues to play. I think it's important to keep developing the game and the WPL to reach new audiences. So we're excited about that. I think a lot of players have played in different conditions now and are able to adapt pretty quickly. So I don't think it will be an issue for any of the teams across the leagues. Obviously the Indian players and the local players will understand the conditions well, and any of the internationals are pretty used to getting used to different conditions. So I just think it's a really good thing for the tournament and the game itself to be able to reach new audiences.
India Today. The question for Deepti.
So first of all, Deepti, many congratulations. You have had a fantastic year in 2025. DSP in the UP Police Force, 100 ODIs, and now the captain of the UP Warriors. So, and you are replacing Alyssa Healy. So how are you looking to fill in such huge boots of someone who has achieved so many laurels for Australia and the Warriors?
2025 कितना कमाल साल रहा है आपके लिए. 100 वनडे, साथ में DSP जो ऑलरेडी रीमा बोल चुकी है, ये तो कोई बुलाने नहीं वाला है. हाँ करेक्ट, सल्यूट. लेकिन अब कप्तानी आप कर रही हैं यूपी की, और जिनको आपने रिप्लेस किया है अलिसा, ये कितना प्रेशर है? क्योंकि अलिसा ने इतनी सारी चीज़ें अचीव की अपने करियर में, एंड अब उनकी जगह आपको टीम की कमान संभालनी.
तो आई थिंक प्रेशर तो नहीं बोल सकते, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली उन्होंने काफ़ी मैचेस खेले हैं और काफ़ी लीड करा अपनी टीम को, और लास्ट 2 सीज़न से वो थे ऑब्वियसली, तो वो तो रहेगा, उनकी कमी कहीं ना कहीं स्लाइटली रहेगी. बट देन वो जब अपॉर्चुनिटी मुझे मिली है तो डेफिनेटली मैं चाहूँगी कि एज अ टीम हम लोग कितना अच्छा ब्रांड ऑफ क्रिकेट खेल सकते हैं, जो कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा बहुत मिसिंग था. जैसे हम लोग क्वालिफाई किए फर्स्ट सीज़न एंड देन थोड़ा सा हियर एंड देयर हुआ लास्ट सीज़न में. बट हम चाहेंगे कि एज अ टीम अच्छा करें, और जितना टीम से अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस निकलवा सकते हैं उतना अच्छा रहेगा.
जितनी पोलाइटली बोलती ना, उतना जोश इनका मैदान में नजर आता है.
DSP साहिबा का आंसर बिल्कुल ऐसा सराखों पर बिल्कुल ऐसा परफेक्ट टाइप आंसर आया है. ऑलराइट, अब अगला सवाल जो है वो स्मृति के लिए है, एंड ये आ रहा है.
My question is, what is more difficult as a captain, building a new team or defending the title? Smriti, for you.
What is more difficult? एक नई टीम बनाना या to defend the title?
I think in cricket nothing is easy.
Right.
That's one thing I think. And as a captain as well, again, you wouldn't say that this is easier or that is easier. But I think the most important thing is not what I think Meg and Ash said, that I think not thinking about what's happened in the last 2 seasons or what happened in the last year as well. I think it's a new start, and for us to give a chance to be at the finals, that's the first priority. So I wouldn't say that this is easier or that is easier. I think in cricket nothing comes easy.
Actually, I mean, it's been revolutionary, hasn't it? WPL has truly rewritten the script. The reception it got last season was incredible. And now you're playing at 4 venues, like we mentioned. You have centers like Lucknow, you have centers like Bengaluru, you also have that giant stadium, the Ekana, and then you also got Mumbai. Just considering the reception that you got last season, does that make you feel excited to keep coming back and rubbing shoulders with international and Indian players in the mix?
Yeah, definitely. We all know how crazy cricket is here in India, and we truly appreciate the love and passion for the sport. And certainly playing in Bangalore last year, it was deafening. Those crowds were pretty crazy, but it's awesome to see that there is such a great support for the women's game here in this country, and I think it goes beyond here in India as well. I think having a tournament like this actually just grows the game globally as well, and having players from all nations being able to participate and play in these competitions is awesome to see, and it's certainly only going to go from strength to strength, which is exciting, and also a scary prospect for other international teams to see where India can get to.
All right, skippers, captains, we have one final question. Here is a surprise. It's from Aditya from Business Standard. The surprise is we don't know who he wants to ask the question. Only Aditya will tell us. So Aditya, go ahead. Shoot.
Hi everyone. My question is for Meg. 2 seasons, yet so close, yet so far. So what are the different things, what different approach DC and you are trying this season to cross that final hurdle? And also, if you reach the final this time around, which of the other 4 captains you would like to face in the final?
Ooh. He's making sure that you don't want to forget that line.
No,
so
you guys keep reminding me. Not to forget about that. I've actually, what was the question?
He had one pertinent part to that question right at the beginning. You made it to the finals on 2 occasions. You've had 2 seasons. What changes would you make to make sure that you go the distance?
Yeah, I think for the most part over the first 2 years we've done a lot right. We've played some really good cricket. Our squad is very similar this year. We feel like we've added to it with through the auction process, but also just the general experience of our squad over the last 12 months. We've had some of our players go on and represent India and get some experience there. So we feel like we've learnt a lot from the experience of the past 2 years, but also just gaining that knowledge from playing more cricket and becoming more confident. So it's not big changes from us. I think it's literally just about being able to absorb the pressure in big moments and put together our best game when it counts. So I said earlier, it's sort of there's no use thinking about the finals at the moment because we're not there yet. We've got to start this season off well and give ourselves the opportunity to get there first. So we're very confident coming into the season. We feel like we've got a good squad, and if we can continue to play as well as we have, that'll give us a good shot at it.
All right, folks from the media, our friends, thank you so much for being part of the WPL Captain Press Room. But एक आखिरी सवाल जो सबके ज़हन पे है, हमने WPL में अब तक सब कुछ देखा है, रिकॉर्ड्स टूटते हुए देखे हैं. एक सवाल रीमा जी पूछ दो, मैं तो कह रहा हूँ.
मैं वहाँ गई थी बट वहाँ से भगा दिया मुझे, तो मैं यहाँ पूछ लेती हूँ, क्या इस बार हमें वो पहली सेंचुरी देखने को मिलेगी जो अभी तक मिली नहीं है? My English is like your Hindi. Finally a century this season. Tell me.
Will we see one?
Will we? Are we getting a century?
I think so. I'm surprised there hasn't been one already, to be honest. So I'd expect there'd be at least 2 or 3. I'd say. Yeah, gone big.
Good call. Yeah.
Alright.
Just not against us, please.
Is everybody agreeing with
2-3 come against me.
Sorry?
Is everyone agreeing with Ravi Singh the century this season? Should I make it tough and ask who could it be the one who's going to score that century? Harman?
The first century.
किसके नाम हो सकता है पहला शतक?
यार मैं तो मेरे ही नाम लूंगी ना
That's the confidence. Well,
मैं क्यों किसी और का नाम लूं?
दो चैंपियंस हमें मिल चुके हैं. तीसरा चैंपियन इस सीजन कौन होगा? It can't be a better love affair because WPL की शुरुआत हो रही है and पहला मैच it's the home side जिनका मुकाबला होगा डिफेंडिंग चैंपियन से. गुजरात जायंट्स taking on RCB. Join us at 6:30 PM for live coverage. Thank you so much to all the skippers and best of luck. And Reema ji and मेरी तरफ से it's goodbye.